Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marta, and over here we learn how to slay baby. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that button down below, okay? And before I get into anything, y'all, I am so excited. One of my videos got 3K views. 3K, okay? And last time I checked, I was at like 44 subscribers. Now I have 70. So thank you guys so much that hit the subscribe button. And today I'm going to show you guys how I did this pretty hairstyle. It's called Bantu knot. I hope I say it right because I hate to mispronounce stuff. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I did this pretty hairstyle. It is my first time doing it on myself, but it come out pretty great. So hopefully y'all like how I did it. Anyway, let's just get into it. Alright guys, so y'all know before I even start doing anything, I like to show y'all what I'm going to use. So I went today and just got one pack of this here. This is it. It's long, but I think because of the way it was in bag. So like I'm going to use this hair right here. And yeah, but those, I don't know how I'm gonna put it yet, but we'll see. Because y'all know I like anything simple, so yeah. And I bought these. I have some more here, but I thought it wasn't gonna be enough, so I went and got this pack. Yeah, and then y'all already know the drill. The shiny gem. I always use shiny gems. I don't care what nobody say. And I'm going to use this thing to kind of like pop apart my hair. And if you're seeing this, this is what I use on my hair. I'm telling y'all, like, this is the best thing ever you can do for your hair. This is it right here, because my hair be so dry and I don't really take care of my hair. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I do not take care of my hair like that. I barely do it. So unless I'm making a video, I'm really going somewhere, I really be looking homeless. Okay, so I'm going to part them, because like for the Bantu knot, like you don't there's no specific way of parting your hair. You can part it any type of way that you want. So I'm going to part mine the way that I want, and then I'm gonna be back because I don't want to waste y'all time. I just want to show y'all how to do it basically. So this is it. All right, you guys, so I'm finished. I did 9. I have 9 parts. I don't know, I didn't want it to be too small or too big, so now I'm just going to take the hair. It has 3 bundles, and I believe like each bundle can probably do like 3 or 4 parts. So we'll see how that's going to turn out. I got a number 2. Hopefully it's not too, I don't know, it's probably gonna be good because my hair is not black, so I couldn't get a 1. If I would have get a 1, it would have been too dark for my hair. So hopefully this don't look too brown. or whatever. I'm gonna make each bundle do, let me see, 3. I'm gonna try to make it do 3 parts. All right. Okay. We'll see. Excuse the noise outside. I'm gonna do this one like that. What you do is you play like this, right? And then you start braiding your hair with the hair, if that makes sense. Just watch what I'm doing, because I don't really know how to explain stuff properly. Just watch. And then I like to start rolling it like that until I really see how the hair looks. Okay, and then I start doing that. guys, so I'm done. Now I'm going to do my edges. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm not gonna, I don't know. Kind of don't like it because I feel like it should have been kind of smaller. I feel like I'm on my stupid edges brush, but it ain't. So okay, I'm done doing my edges. I'm going to do my makeup. Wait, let me put the jewelries first. I keep forgetting. All right, so I'm going to do my makeup and I'm gonna see you guys after. Hey, you guys, this is the final look. I changed my outfit. I did my makeup. I don't know. I think it came out good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.